Guys, Dogecoin is falling. It is crashing like crazy today, and I'm getting a lot of questions which I'm going to be answering. Your concerns will be answered in this video, and I will be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're not going to want to miss this. You're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a very steep dip. In that rare time, I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well if you'd like, and then as I watch the charts, I wait for a peak. When we've made at least 20 to 30% profits, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive videos, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Smash that like button if you think Dogecoin is headed to the moon. Also, if you haven't rung the bell yet, be sure to do that so you don't miss my daily Dogecoin uploads. Also, if you're one of the patrons who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, congratulations because we've made a lot of money. Guys, comment below diamond hands if you are still holding Dogecoin through this crash. As I always recommend, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always put 10% maximum of your investment into each trade just in case so that it averages out and you make money in the long run. All right, guys, let's look into why it's falling, why it's crashing, why people are having paper hands currently with all this FUD and fake news that the whales are putting out there. As you saw, when we hit 19 cents today, we had a bounce. It bounced off that level of support going up because people bought that dip. The reason for this crash is because the banks in China have decided to block all cryptocurrency trades. Which is fine because all of the cryptocurrency miners that were already in China have already moved to Texas. Guys, they've done this for tax reasons and also because it is much more profitable this way. This is much better for the cryptocurrency market because now they're all a part of the crypto mining pool. Back when they were in China, what they do is they'd all agree to sell together. That would cause a massive crash and then they would buy together. This would make it smaller on the little guys. Now they're unable to do that and now they have to follow the USA regulations with much more energy efficient guidelines for crypto mining. Tesla has confirmed that they will start accepting Bitcoin again, and I'm sure that right after that, following will be Dogecoin, then causing the price of Dogecoin to likely surge past $1. Once Tesla does announce that they will accept Bitcoin once again, it will cause the cryptocurrency market to go up very high, and in turn, causing Dogecoin to follow. I think bare minimum, we will at least rise 40 to 50% once Tesla starts accepting Dogecoin, but let me know your thoughts and your prediction down below. The People's Bank of China told all institutions that they must stop accepting cryptocurrency. Guys, this is just a reiteration of what we've already been through about a little over a month ago. So really there's no new news, it's just more FUD and fake news really. People are going to see this and you're about to see a huge bounce with Dogecoin. And we'll be right back on our bull run. You don't want to wish you got in, you don't want to have FOMO, you want to get at these low prices, these discount prices, these infancy stages. I am not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, it's simply my opinion based on my software and experience. At these low discount prices, I'm buying cryptos like crazy. You gotta have some cash on the side for these dips. You wanna buy these dips and hold. When you hold, you never wanna sell less than you bought in for. There's no reason for it. Cryptocurrencies aren't dead, they're still just getting started. And with all the countries and institutions getting into cryptocurrencies, there's proof that they know the potential. I know the potential. I know the future fundamental catalysts for all of these cryptocurrencies, and I know that it's very worth holding. People that are brand new, these retail investors, these smaller investors with paper hands, they get scared. That's what the whales want. The whales want to scare you. They put a lot of money into fake news to get it out there, to get the smaller retailer to lose their money, to sell, to basically hand their money over to millionaires and billionaires. Don't do that. Follow my trade alerts and do this the right way. Guys, proof of this, Bitcoin was just at $4,000 last year. However, every single year for the last 10 years, on average, Bitcoin has doubled in price. Yes, 200% profits every single year. So no matter what, no matter the volatility, no matter these dips, no matter how scary it may seem, always hold with diamond hands because it will pay off in the long run. Last year, Dogecoin was less than a penny. Now we're way over that. Ethereum, less than $1,000 last year. Now we're way over that. Guys, don't get scared. Don't have paper hands. It won't pay off if that's the case. Don't think about the short term, think about the long term. The long-term events surrounding cryptocurrencies. If you focus on the price day to day, you're just going to be sad. But when you realize the potential, you're going to be very excited and happy, realizing that eventually you're going to be able to take your money out a lot more than you put in. Dogecoin, sitting at the number 7 cryptocurrency in the entire world, is still very high up there. What that tells us is it's not just Dogecoin crashing today, it's all cryptocurrencies. They work together. So when there's more green days, when they start pumping again, Dogecoin is going to go right back up along with them. The entire market cap of cryptocurrencies is still $1.3 trillion, guys. That is massive. Dogecoin still sitting at $27 billion. Still a lot of money in Dogecoin and a lot of transactions and volume going in and out every single day. This is completely normal with all this market manipulation going on. It's not just going to go straight up or straight down. There's always going to be volatility. It's always going to go up and down. You're just going to want to wait until that peak when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so you guys can sell as well on my Patreon. If you notice, every time we hit a bottom, a new low, there's more FUD. There's more fake news that comes out that the whales are funding so that we can go even lower. This is what they want. They got out when the price was high. They're ready with their cash on the side to buy more. They're always looking to buy more. They're day traders. That's what they do. They're rich. They've got so much money on the side. It's just a fun hobby for them at this point. Guys, I'm down 6 figures currently. That's nothing to worry about though, because I know the potential that's in store. And I'm currently buying these dips every single day that I see these new lows, a little at a time, so that on average, in the long run, there will be a massive profit in the end. When Bitcoin hit the bottom, we saw MicroStrategy buying billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. What does this tell us? This tells us that they realize that this is likely as low as Bitcoin's going to go, and that they could easily double their money just within a year. Guys, just a couple of weeks ago, El Salvador accepted Bitcoin as their legal currency. And then just after that, 10 other countries jumped on board. Guys, this is a growing trend. Mass adoption is taking place. The lower the price goes, the more people buy in, the more mass adoption you want to get in before the masses. Those are the people that make the most money. Guys, with all these countries buying in, expect trillions of dollars to pump and to pour into crypto, to pour into Bitcoin, causing Bitcoin to likely hit a couple 100,000 just next year. Guys, statistically, as we've seen in history, all other altcoins actually outperform Bitcoin. What does that mean? That means if you put $100 into Dogecoin, it will likely triple, quadruple, or even 10 times before Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin goes up to a couple $100,000 next year, expect for Dogecoin to likely hit $5 or $10. We're currently in a corrections phase. This is completely normal for a healthy bull run. I'm still holding with diamond hands and you should be as well. Don't get scared, don't have paper hands. And if you need help, one-on-one consulting, portfolio building, I offer that on my Patreon and a lot more. Why is Dogecoin crashing so much? Guys, it's because of SNL. It's because of these events lately putting a lot more smaller retailer investors into Dogecoin. They're brand new to the crypto market. They know no better. They're getting scared and they're selling off. Guys, don't be one of them. You don't want to have the mentality, let me sell out before it goes down to zero, because it's just not going to happen. Not only that, but if you end up selling, thinking that you're just going to buy in when it goes lower, and it doesn't go any lower, you're going to have FOMO, you're going to wish you stayed in the game. Guys, we may have hit 20 cents today, as you can see on the chart. However, when we hit that 20-cent mark previously, what did we do? We doubled. We doubled our money fast, hitting 41 cents virtually overnight. This type of bounce would not surprise me, especially with a dip such as this. With every dip, always comes a bounce, especially when there's a severe dip, just as I let you guys know about on my Patreon as I watch the charts throughout the day. Just as you can see, where we had our massive dip today, we're already having a green candlestick form already, guys. Expect to see a bounce here in the couple of days. Historically, every time there's a dip, there's always a bounce with cryptocurrencies, so just wait, it will happen. It is currently the perfect time to get in. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can buy cryptos with it or liquidate it and send it straight to your bank account. Guys, look forward to these massive gains that we're going to be getting just within the next 30 to 90 days. Guys, set a profit goal. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about holding with diamond hands until you reach your goal. That way you can pull out and reap the benefits. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and in the top pinned comment. It's invaluable because as I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that